Happy 4th of July. Actually, it's what? The 7th of July.
But we just came back from vacation, so.
From 3-day vacation. And I've got Alex.
Oh,
And we have been doing organizing. And so right now we are actually...
It's an airplane.
We're actually organizing with Ginger from Ginger's Corner.
Ginger's
And
Corner.
this is, yep. And this is craft organization. And right now we had just done the inks.
It was torture.
And the daubers.
We had a. If I can get this open.
Show them one of the labels.
I think the bright purple. No, the bright red is the best.
That's her favorite.
Bright red.
Put on your finger.
Finger.
Yeah. One of the daubers.
It's a
You don't have to have
spaceship.
everything right up to the thing. So that is Firebrick Red.
We labeled
and so we
it.
labeled our daubers because I was mixing things together sometimes. That's why
labeled-
we have how many oranges?
Two.
Or 2 of the wild honey. And so I've had 2 different things like this.
Why do I? It's a spaceship.
I don't know why you have this.
It's a spaceship. Do you see it?
No.
These
it's
are
a-
the wings, and this is the
You know what that is? It's a crocodile.
spaceship.
Okay, now let's tell them about this. Okay, my things have been on here, and my little sponge parts that go on the bottom of this have been stuck to the back, and now they are all on here. You don't have to put them up so close to the screen. So now they're all up here, and they're all labeled. So I wrote on them, and she put all the ink on them. And so now I know what color they are, and show them how easy it is to open it up.
Move this.
Let's open that up. Oh,
you're just gonna
and
take
this does still do this. So my goal is to get it off of here, because really I'm gonna buy 4 more inks and then this will be full. But
So you need
with the
this thingy-majig?
sponge, with the sponge behind here, they fell over all the time. And so I have to have them rubber banded like this.
Grandma, which color should I use? Just a random one? Okay.
Yeah, just random. Just open it up.
So
I bought these little things off Amazon, and they are
I think
the
they're supposed to be glitter
exact,
containers.
yeah, or beads. They can be for anything.
So you're gonna open the bin like so.
Show it down here. Yep, like that.
Open it. Take your stopper. Pick it up. And then when you're done, you just do this. Don't rip off the thing like I did. But
It's been coming off. I need to re-glue it. So
How
yeah,
about
you
we
just
re-glue
put
it
that
right
in.
now?
So all you do is have to, open it up, put it on there, and then put it back there when you're done.
my favorite color is this one.
And so we've labeled all these. We colored them all so you knew what ink color you're using.
There looks like
And-
there's so many more than in this. And we don't even have enough brushes for all the inks. Here, we'll show
Oh, and
you.
show them the labels on that too.
How did you? Okay. We got violet. We labeled.
Yep, just put it right here because this is where everything's at.
Labeled. Labeled number 1. And then the pink is labeled. The pink is labeled pink.
So we didn't color those.
We
But-
didn't mean to, but she ended up doing it. Blue with blue.
Yeah,
then
I did try to color
Another
coordinate
blue with blue. But this is so off.
Yeah, but that's.
Which-
It's like I just bought some assorted
She needs more. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go through them. real quick.
assorted brushes.
Green with green. Orange with orange. I don't know what color this is. It's gonna be the sparkly egg. It's gonna be like
No, it's speckled egg.
speckled egg. I'm nicknamed Sparkly Egg. I don't know. It has different blues on this. Well, this is gonna be tumbled glass matched with it.
So I
It's
tried.
stuck to it. No. It
I
doesn't.
tried to color coordinate them with the brushes,
This one, I don't know what color this one is, real quick, because
This is
cracked pistachio.
cracked pistachio.
So I guess it's
And this is walnut stain. And then we have, this I think is one that I bought separately. And then to just see if I like the brushes, and I do like the brushes.
You should go see our other video. We're gonna be doing a craft.
Yeah.
How long has this been going? I can't read it. It's upside down.
I can't tell. I can't figure it out.
Anyhow, but it's so nice.
I know that.
Listen, shh.
She likes the way it sounds and the way it feels. Okay, so we've
My mom
so we
has
labeled
one.
these.
My mom has this as a makeup brush. Not this one, but the same thing.
Yeah, she would be pretty shocked if she put that on her face.
I did.
Yeah, you did. That's what I figured you probably did. So, so now our daubers are marked. Our sponges are marked.
Wait, you need to show
And-
the ring. It's like cricket.
And then
Pennsylvania.
and then
That was
these are labeled, and I'm gonna keep them like this for a while, but see.
Until she fills them up.
Well, actually, I just need to see if they keep tipping over, because they keep tipping over, and then the lid falls off.
This
So
is the best. Oh, it just stuck. It was like stuck for a second.
It was.
This is the best tool. You just take one of these. Pick your color. You flip it upside down. Pick your color. Then you follow it. Take off the big lid. Well, probably won't have the big lid because that's just another lid.
Yeah, but I will put the big lid on there.
Open that.
It'll keep me from having to dust it. You
Bust
gotta get in there.
Bust it. Oh wait. Let me redo that. Bust it.
You gotta get in here, right here.
Okay. You just go. Bust it.
Well, don't break it.
I broke it almost. But then it busted and it sticks on. It's the best tool.
So, we've got that done. I'm pretty excited about it because I've been wanting to do it for a while, and then she came and like sees all these little sponges, and I'm saying, okay, this is the day. You're gonna help me do this. And she was pretty excited about that because she got to make a mess.
And my fingers are a mess.
She's very colorful.
I'm the rainbow. I think this finger's like, what just dropped?
This here, it just fell off here.
Oh, well, this finger's very colorful rainbow.
Yep, you are a very colorful rainbow.
And this isn't. Oh, it's stuck. Ooh.
Yeah, you gotta just put it down here so they can see it, really see it. So I've had these in here for a long time, but I didn't have them marked, so it's great to have them marked.
Well, how come
And then-
most of them are not like used?
Because I haven't used them all yet. See, that's when I really only buy colors when I need them. That's why I don't have this all the way full. But my goal is to actually just have them stacked on a shelf. So, but I do like this idea. So up until I either have this full, or if they keep tipping over and they get dried out, then I'm definitely not going to be able to keep them like this. But we labeled this too. I just
Here, I'll show them.
I have this label. It's like, how many of these labels are on here?
How come the pick of punch is only one? On that label, but not
Yeah.
the container.
No, because we don't have a container for
Oh,
it.
we don't have one. Because she doesn't like sponges. Oh no, she just has sponges. But
You
she
don't
likes-
want a sponge for this because it's
She doesn't have
it's really what kind of ink is it? It
She doesn't
is
have a dauber.
pigment.
She doesn't have a dauber.
Yeah, because it's pigment ink and it's really just more for embossing.
Happy
I'll have to
4th of
emboss with her
July.
so she understands what this whole deal is. Okay,
It's a
so
magical cloud to put on your face. Ah.
so these labels right here work great. Let me grab what they are. Okay, these Avery labels that are 1/2 inch by 1 3/4, they fit the edge of this pretty good. This one I still had to kind of roll it over, and
There's no.
but some of them I didn't even actually have, or I didn't have to. Well, I still have to roll it over a little bit. This one fits pretty good. I don't know how come some seem like they feel a little better. Probably just the, you know, where I put it. So this is the right size label. It's got 80 labels per sheet, and I will have these for an eternity because there's 2,000 labels. But I've used this for, of course, envelopes, but I've used them also for marking my paper labels, or the labels on my paper dividers. So that's all we're gonna show you today because, oh, let me show you one more thing.
I don't, put this in the comments, I have no clue.
It's one of the embossing inks. Okay, so these are the labels that I bought that are this size. And you know, I wrote on them all, and then, you know what I was thinking? I'm thinking that if I would have put them into my printer and told it that they were this size somehow, that I actually could have just printed them.
My mom tried that and that didn't work.
Oh, it didn't work? Okay.
Two tiny things cannot work.
Okay, that might be those. But it's kind of an envelope size, so I thought it might work.
But it didn't work on my mom.
Okay, so maybe not.
So
I did write on them, and it's these sheets. I only use like one and a part of one, and if I would have, she's showing you the things I haven't put away yet. Okay, so there's 30 of these on no they're not, because it's not 5. Okay, it's 5,
1,
10,
2,
15,
3,
20,
4,
24. There's 24 on one of these.
5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You count them over there.
7, 8, 9.
So,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
I did end up using an extra one because sometimes I wrote a word and it's like, I can't even read my writing.
24.
Isn't that what I said?
No, I said 25.
Oh, well, 24.
I don't remember, but tell me. Problems with your, oh, it says, this. Why is the packaging like this? It says, problems with your orders.
Oh, they want to make sure you're
Text us.
happy. Okay, so this is the brand I bought, and it was on Amazon. So it worked out nice because they are the right size for these things. And they must be 1 inch. I'll try to link the link down below, and so that if you want to do this, and you can, I'll give the information on those labels. Oh, I actually seen it on. I was just like looking for how to store your inks, and so anyhow, I found that on somebody's channel, and I'm sorry, I do not know who it is.
Magic.
And I don't think she was a scrapbooker. She did something else.
Magical.
So
It's stuck. It's magic.
she's a very energetic girl. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know, and I will try to remember to put those labels down below, and I will see you soon. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Say goodbye, Alex.
Bye.